let's do a review on this CVLIFE cabin fiber. It's from 6 to 9 inches and it's only about 15 pounds. Number one reason we got this is because it's made of strong but also lightweight carbon fiber. This bipod is resistant to heat, temperature, corrosion, and friction. What I'm loving about it is that it does have that swivel stud. It's very easy to deploy. It also, of course, it has that M-lock V-rail. It has this bipod. Bipod is also really, really easy to use and it comes out really quickly. Now, I will say that it does get hot a little bit, as you shoot, but it's no problem for me and my husband. Now, the surface of this carbon fiber bipod is more slippery. The pattern looks more stylish and, I actually really like it. I've bought some in the past. This one on Amazon is one of the best ones that I love for our rifle. Now, you just press the buttons, the legs can easily, fully, and quickly eject, and the length of the legs can be adjusted anywhere from 6 to 9 inches. Okay, so those spring-loaded legs make it easy to deploy and provide a really, really sturdy support. I've never had any issue, and I will say that it's pretty resistant to those high temperatures, corrosion, and the friction. All right, so overall, I highly recommend this bipod. I guess I give it a try.